And following former President Donald Trump's court appearance, we spoke to local political leaders to get their thoughts on the charges and what this means for Trump's political future. Matt Mathias is in our control room with their reaction tonight. Matt.
Well, Jen, it's the first time a former U.S. president has been formally indicted, and local party leaders had a lot to say on the proceedings. Local reaction pouring in Tuesday after former President Donald Trump pleaded not guilty to 34 felony counts of falsifying business records in a Manhattan courtroom.
And I think the former president is a man who has been afoul of the law since the 1970s, and finally the chickens have come home to roost.
New York District Attorney Alvin Bragg is looking to go where the U.S. Department of Justice chose not to when it comes to alleged hush money payments to two women.
From what I know and from what I've heard, the district attorney is not a man who takes a whole lot of risks. So my assumption would be that the evidence they have of these fraudulent business practices is fairly substantial.
But local Republicans disagree, saying Democrats have been trying to villainize Trump since he first announced his candidacy for president in 2015.
This is just political football at the highest level. You know, the Democrats have been itching and scrambling to try to get their hooks into Donald Trump, and that's fine. They tried with his impeachments twice, didn't stick. You know, the first round of indictments didn't stick.
Tom Eddy, the chairman of the Erie County Republican Party, says these charges are simply an effort to interfere with the presidential race next year, saying in part, the request that the trial not begin until January of 24 is right in the middle of the presidential primary season, making this smell like a political hit job by the left-leaning DA Bragg. Both parties agree that this is just the beginning of a long but bumpy road.
And I think the important thing that we need to take away from this at the end of the day is that no one is above the law.
You know, again, my prediction is I'm not seeing him do one day in jail.
Now, the consequences of the indictment are yet to be seen, but I have a feeling that this story is not going anywhere anytime soon.